Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So many students messaged me that ma'am we missed this internship from UIDAI Unique Identification Authority of India. And why basically they regretted this thing because first thing is it's government of India internship. Second thing is the stipend was really good. Up to 50K you were getting. But actually the last date was for more than most of the internship were 10th of June. So they missed it. Now, don't worry. If you are one of those students and they're asking me, like, if there are more internship like this, then I should tell them. So it's okay. If you missed that, there is one more internship they have launched. Same UIDI internship, Unique Identification Authority of India. And the last date for this internship is 30th of June. So tomorrow. So apply as soon as possible. But first, watch this video till the end because I'll tell you how to apply, what this internship is for, and the stipend, what you have to send. You can apply online or offline, and everything about this internship in this video, right? But before that, I just want to tell you one thing. If you are the one who is interested in learning generative AI, because we know that this is AI era, and this is basically generative AI era is going on right now. So if you are curious about this thing, that how this chatbot are working, how they build, how LLMs are working, large language models, what is RAG, fine tuning, and all, and you are searching for a right resource, then don't worry. I have recently launched a new course, Generative AI for Beginners from Scratch. Okay. So we'll be covering from basics till we are going to build our own chatbot also. Okay. So it's just an 8 to 9 hour course. I'll tell you everything from the basic, like what is AI. We'll start from what is AI, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, then what are LLMs, what is history of AI, tokenization, embedding, prompt engineering, chat GPT, basics of everything. I'll tell you what is RAG, what is fine tuning, and at last we are going to build our own chatbot. And I'll give you the glimpse of future AI also. It's scary, but yeah, it's theoretical for now. Okay, but yeah, if we achieve that thing, future AI, then it's really scary. And you will get my handwritten notes as well, right? And those quizzes and PPTs also, right? And at last, you will get a certification. So if you want to check out, you can check out the course content also here. You can go to the website. I'll put the link in the description box of this video. You can go and check out. So even if you are from not a CS background, you are from a non-tech background, you are just 12th pass, or maybe you are working professional, or if you are a businessman, anyone you are, you can take this course because we'll be covering from basic everything. Not in that much detail, but yeah, because it's generative AI course, so you can go and check out what we'll cover here. Okay, if you have more question, you can go to the FAQ section and you can check out. But right now, it's already on a huge discount, but early bird offer is still going on. Hopefully, it will over today only. So you will get extra 10% off also if you be the early bird. You can apply the coupon code AI10. AI10 and you will get extra 10% discount. So if you are interested, you can go and check out the link in the description box of this video. Now let me tell you about this internship. So for this internship, uh, only those who are pursuing MTech or MCA, those students can apply. BTech or BCA, these students are not eligible. So if you are pursuing post graduation or you have done your post graduation within the last 6 months, you are eligible to apply for this internship. Okay, the stipend you will get 40,000 because it is in technical field. So what you need to send on this, they have given the email address, email ID here. You need to send your application. I'll show you the application also, and I'll give you the link also in the description box of this video. It's okay, as well as your CV on this email ID. Two things: your CV plus that form, right? You need to send it here, and accordingly, if you get selected or not, they'll inform you. So there is no fee, and there is no exam also for this internship. Fine. Maybe they can conduct a interaction or interview kind of thing if more students apply for such kind of internship. Okay. But last date is 30th of June. So apply as soon as possible. But those students who are currently enrolled in an institute, if you are currently pursuing, in that case, you need to submit your application, need to be sponsored or forwarded by the institution. Okay. This format also I'll show you. So once you click here you will get that internship policy, all the things here, right? I'll tell you briefly. You can just read out this, but what are the important points I'm going to tell you here? See, eligibility are for that internship specifically. I'm talking about MTech and MCA. So you have to be postgraduate in technical field like MTech, or ME or MCA, but they were asking especially what MTech and MCA students. If you are studying in final or pre-final year, you can apply. Or if you have just completed your post graduation within last 6 months, you can apply for this. So, duration of this internship would be at least 6 weeks, but they can extend based on the requirement. It can be up to 12 months, but not more than that. Okay, place of internship would be either at their center Bangalore, but this is specifically for their regional office, Chandigarh. So, place is you have to go there at Chandigarh, and it's offline, it's not online. Stipend you will get, obviously you are postgraduate in technical field, so you will get in technical 40,000. So for such this internship specifically, it's 40,000 stipend. So it's good. And have to apply, I've told you. If you are interested, then you can send your CV as well as this form. Let me show you the form. At the last of this PDF, you will see the form. See, this is the form for application for internship in UIDAI. So this you need to fill first, and then you have to post, right? As well as if you are pursuing your degree right now, so you have to give this NOC also. This is basically completion certificate. NOC is here. Format of NOC to be obtained from college, to be written on your letterhead of your college, and signed by your HOD or principal. So you can check out this, right? Two things you need to submit, plus your CV also. Three things. That form, if you are pursuing, then this NOC. If you are not pursuing, you are already uh, you have done your PG, then no need to forward this NOC. No need to submit this. Only that form plus your CV. Two things on that email address that is given here. That is given here. You have to submit this. So at last, I mean, you will be given the certificate also, completion certificate, but only that first, whatever on the project you are working, you have to submit the report, project report at the end, and then you will be given the certificate. So I'll attach this in the description box of this video, this complete PDF, or you can go to this completely, I mean, directly that you can search UIDAI Internship 2025 and you will be redirected. You can click on this link, uidi.gov.in, and you will be redirected to this internship page, and you can just click the first link and you can check out, right? So all the relevant links and details I'll put in the description box of this video. You can go and check out. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.